Hey, what up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to put BackTrack onto your Mac. It's going to be using VMware, which is real easy to download. You just go here. You can do a trial. It's free, and yeah, that's real easy to set up. You just install that onto your computer, and then you come to the BackTrack website, which I'll have in the description, and you click download. You want to come up with the version that you want. I'll be doing BackTrack 5 R2, and you want 64-bit if your computer is 64-bit, and 32-bit if your computer is 32-bit. I would do direct unless you have a torrent application like Views or XTorrent or whatever that is, and just keep that at KDE. So you click direct, click to download. You don't have to register or anything like that. You can just say no thanks. And it'll automatically start. It's a fairly long download. You can pause the video and download it now. I already downloaded it, so we're not gonna have to worry about that. There we go. So what you do is you come to your VMware and you click on Home. Come over to File, press New, and continue without disk. Operating system installed. Yeah, you don't want that checked. You want this checked because you're not using a CD unless you burn it to a CD. So you come click the file that it is. It should be bt5r2-kde-64.iso, and then continue. Operating system Linux version, I think you can do Ubuntu 64-bit, but I do other Linux 2.6.x kernel 64-bit. It works just as fine. You can customize the settings as you please. It's gonna save the name to this. If you wanted a different name, you can do that. It's gonna be saved in the virtual machines folder in your documents. Alright, and then you just save it. Comes over here. Now, my hard drive isn't a SCSI, it's a SATA, which I don't know why it says that its bus type is SCSI or SCSI, whatever. It doesn't matter. You can change it however you want it. I'd just keep it at 8 gigabytes, unless you want more, which you can. And then you press apply, and then you can change the RAM that you need it to be available for it, how many cores you need, and that's it. You can change all that stuff. If you want 3D graphics on, which I don't know why you would, you can put that on. For a Windows boot camp, I would enable that because then you'll be able to do games and stuff like that, but depending on your computer you may not be able to do that. It may not have enough processing power and RAM, etc. So you just come over here, you press start up, click the little play button there. Alright, and then it's just gonna start up. Just wait for this to start up. It's gonna take a little bit of time, not too long though, but just wait. And so I saw Batman The Dark Knight Rises today and on Friday, and wow, that was an amazing movie. I definitely recommend it if you haven't gone to see it yet. It was probably my second favorite movie other than The Dark Knight, but yeah, it's a really good movie. Alright, so then you just come to BackTrack, text, default, boot text mode. You just press enter or return, and that'll boot to it. But yeah, Batman was really good. It was one of those movies where it kept you thinking the whole way through, and then at the end, it just put it all together for you, and it was a really good movie. I definitely recommend it. I'm not gonna give any secrets away or anything like that. I'm not gonna spoil it for you, but wow, it's amazing. And then after that, today after I saw it again, I went to see Ted, and that was a really funny movie. Again, if you haven't seen that, I recommend seeing that. It's pretty much just an hour and 45 minutes uh, of Family Guy. And so when you get in this terminal, anyway, so when you get into this terminal, you just press Start X, and that'll start up everything. And it has these Chinese symbols or Japanese, I don't know what it is, and that's just gonna load. And it doesn't take too long. Alright, so here we are. If you wanna get onto the web, you can just click this little button here. It's called Conqueror. And it's just like Google. I mean, if you search anything, it's gonna use Google. And there it is. You can go full screen in VMware, just click it there. And it's gonna have this. It's gonna originally start up there, but you can drag it to wherever you want it. And there you go. It's really easy application to use, or operating system to use, I'm sorry. And yeah, so that's like the web browser. You can search and download things from there, and then here's terminal. You can type in your commands like, I don't know, CD or ls, I'm sorry, and then you can CD to your desktop. There you go. Just basic things like that. And obviously there's nothing in my desktop yet because I just started it, so if I go ls, it's just gonna have the BackTrack installed desktop thing. But yeah, this is a good operating system. It's good for if you guys want to use Armitage. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, Armitage, and that runs off of Metasploit. I think it's called. And yeah, Metasploit. It's just a GUI or GUI, graphical user interface, and that's if you are like one of those hacker guys, whatever, you can use that. And I don't recommend hacking though. You can get arrested for that and stuff, so don't do it. But if you wanna play with your friends or other people in your family, that's fine. I do that. But yeah, so that's gonna pretty much wrap up this video here. It's real simple to use. To shut it down, you can just press shut down, or you can suspend it and it'll keep it in that exact space like that. I usually just shut it down though, and because then I don't have to wait this time for it to suspend. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Yeah, that's it. All right, see ya. Thanks for Thanks for watching, and comment, rate, subscribe, watch my other videos. Thank you. Bye.